Algebra II Worksheet 21.2, number 9. Excuse me, we have to solve this equation, decide whether we have real or complex roots. We're given the equation 6x squared plus x equals 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by moving the 5 over, put everything equal to 0. I'm going to subtract that 5 from both sides. So I get 6x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. Now, at this point, I'm going to try to factor. If I can't factor, I'm going to do quadratic formula. Hopefully it does factor though. So let's start by doing our diamond. 6x squared times negative 5 is negative 30x squared. Our middle term 1x goes right on the bottom. I need two numbers that I'll multiply to give me negative 30 and add to give positive 1. And that does work because 6x times negative 5x gives us negative 30. 6x plus negative 5x gives us positive 1x. Now, I'm going to take that 6x squared and I'm going to keep writing that. This 1x now gets split up into these two. So I have 6x minus 5x minus 5 equals 0. Now, if you've done factoring by grouping, now we're going to split this right down the middle. We're going to look at a common factor for each side. On this side, we have a common factor of 6x, because 6x will divide out of both of those, or divide into both of those. This becomes 1x plus 1. 6x times x gives us the x squared. 6x times 1 gives us 6x. And same thing on this side, and then I have a negative 5 common to both. So we're going to factor out negative 5. That equals 0 still in the end. This becomes positive 1x. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is positive 1. And now I've got my two parentheses matching, which is exactly what we want. So now our two factors are 6x minus 5 from those two. And then the common factor, the one that was matching, is next, x plus 1. Now I'm going to put each of these equal to 0. 6x minus 5 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. Move your negative 5 over by adding 5 to both sides. Divide, and you're going to get a fraction. And at this point, we realize we're not going to have any of those ugly i's in our answer because there's no imaginary. So we don't have that square root of a negative, which means both of our answers are real numbers. And those answers are 5, 6, and negative 1.